So let's start about Dharwar Craton. So this is part one of Dharwar Craton. So the term Dharwar was given by R. Bruce Foote in 1888. In 1964, Radha Krishna observed that the cyst inclusion within the gneiss represent the basic igneous rock and primitive sedimentary rock older than the Dharwar rocks in age. So the cyst inclusions were older than the Dharwar rock which are present now. Those older schist rock were relatively high degree of metamorphosis. So what those schist rocks were called? These were called Sargur schist. So we'll see about Sargur schist. So the Sargur schist are uh, highly metamorphosed rock, and the metamorphism is ranging from amphibolite to lower granulite phases. The schist contains abundant lands of anorthosite and anorthositic gabbro. Quartzites are characteristically bedded with the sedimentary pyrite. The rocks have often been extensively migmatized and mobilized during the subsequent phase of the emplacement of peninsular gneiss. So this is point is important, that these Sargur schist complex rocks have been extensively migmatized and mobilized during the subsequent phases of emplacement of peninsular gneiss complex. The peninsular gneiss complex. When the emplacement of peninsular gneiss complex was occurring, then the Sargur schist were migmatized and mobilized. The schist belt of Kolar and Hutti containing gold deposits belongs to this ancient schist complex. So the Kolar and Hutti gold mines belong to the Sargur schist complex. Next point is uh, the high grade schist were later intruded by the peninsular gneiss complex, and together they form the basement for deposition of sedimentary volcanic succession, which is called the newer greenstone belt and also known as Dharwar Supergroup. So the same Sargur schist complex were intruded by the peninsular gneiss complex, and together they formed the newer greenstone belt, which is known as Dharwar Supergroup. And the youngest element of Precambrian basement of Dharwar region and the plutonic granitic rock is known as Clospet granite. So this is about the Dharwar Craton part 1. We'll later study about the Precambrian basement of Karnataka, such as Rani Bennu, Chitradurga, Baugudan, Peninsular Gneiss Complex, and different part of Sargun schist, and its location in the diagram, and where the Clospet is situated, and their vicinity to eastern and western Ghat. These parts will be done in the later section.